Hello and welcome back to my channel Be Obsessed. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Sumana, and since I have been doing a lot of cooking videos this couple of days, so today I thought I would share yet another recipe with you that I am trying, and that is another delicacy from Bengal, because I am originated in Bengal and my roots are from Bengal, so I'm a Bengali. That's why I love eating Bengali food. So I thought I would share the style that my mom and my grandmom used to cook this delicacy from Bengal. It's known as Chingri Kalia or prawn. Chingri is prawn, so prawn Kalia. That is what I will be preparing today. So I thought I would share it with you guys. So you guys can come along with me in my kitchen again. And today we will be preparing together again. So what are you waiting for? Come to my kitchen with me. Alright, so I'm already in my kitchen right now, as I told you that we will be preparing this today. So let me show you what are the ingredients that we are using today for Chingri Kalia or prawn Kalia. Okay, let me start introducing the ingredients to you. So we will start with this one, which is kachi ghani pure mustard oil, because authentic Bengali dishes are always cooked in mustard oil, so that you get this nice, pungent smell that adds to the aroma. Then I have got about 4 tablespoons of curd or yogurt, which is nicely beaten, and you can use homemade curd, but I have used the packaged one. Then I have got about 250 grams of deveined prawns, and I have marinated it with a little bit of salt and turmeric for almost 2 hours, so that if you're allergic or anything, then it will actually be beneficial for that, and it also aids to the taste of the prawn. Then I have got chopped onions, which is like 2 onions, 1 big size onion and 1 medium sized onion. That is what I have chopped very nicely and finely. Then I have chopped tomatoes, so it is about 2.5 tomatoes that I have finely chopped it. Then I have whole garam masala. You can see this is whole garam masala, 2 cardamoms, 3 cloves and 1 stick of cinnamon, roughly grinded, because that aids to the taste. Then I have got this spices, which is Kashmiri red chili powder, jeera powder, dhania powder and turmeric powder. So 1 teaspoon of each. 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, dhania powder and turmeric powder. And then I have a little bit of bay leaves here, 3 slit chilies and some whole garam masala, which is like cardamom and clove. That is what is there. And this is garlic and ginger paste. I have added 2 green chilies to the paste as well, but if you don't like very spicy, then you can avoid this. Not required to add chili. You can just make a garlic and ginger paste. That's all. So let's get started. Okay, now that you can see that I've added mustard oil to the pot, that is about 5 tablespoons of mustard oil that I have added in this pot. So now that you can see that I am shallow frying the prawns, this will actually aid to the taste of the curry that we will be making, the kalia. So that's why it is a mandatory step. So once you shallow fry the prawns, take it out in a separate bowl and keep it, and then we will start the preparation of the kalia. So here goes the bay leaves. Then we need to add the garam masala. So here goes the garam masala. Okay, give it a little zhuzh. Oops. Okay. Now you need to add the chopped onions. Now you need to fry this onion very nicely till it becomes golden in color and soft as well. Translucent golden in color. That is very, very essential to make sure that you're frying the onions in a perfect way to get the exact flavor of the curry. Okay, so keep it frying till it becomes translucent and golden. Okay, so you can see that now the onions have started turning into little brownish and also translucent. So this is the symbol which shows that the onions are actually fried to the right extent. Now we will be adding the chopped tomatoes to it. Okay, and we will be cooking it for some time. Okay, now the tomatoes have been frying in for some time. Let's check the status. Okay, so it looks like nice. So it has been cooking for almost like 4 minutes, and this is the updated status. Looks nice. So now it's time for all the spices to go in. And it should fry along with the tomatoes juice and in the oil, so that the flavor of the spices, the rawness from the spices goes away and there is a nice aroma that comes out. So you need to keep frying it for some more time. Okay, so here it's time you need to add half teaspoon of sugar, but since I don't use sugar, I am using stevia. So this is stevia water. So I'm using half teaspoon of stevia water, because a balanced Bengali food has all the ingredients: salt, sugar, and a little bit of tanginess, which the curd will be adding to it. So now let it cook, and then we will be adding, so we'll be adding the lid again and let it cook for some time. Okay, now that all the spices and the tomato and the onion is cooking, let's check the status. Okay, so this is the exact consistency that is required right now. So you cannot smell the raw masalas any longer. So the raw smell of cumin powder and coriander powder is not there. So this is the right time. Now we need to add the curd into it. And mix it very well. Give it a nice mix. And let it cook for some more time again. And this is the time you need to add salt. Salt, I'm not telling you how much to add, because it depends on how much salt you take in your food, but it is salt as you taste, so you add according to your palate. So I will be adding about 1 tablespoon of salt. That's our palate, but you can, if you are someone who eats less salt, then add less salt. Okay, so all the masalas with the curd has been frying for some time, and you can see the consistency is changing now. So it's time to add in the ginger garlic paste. So I'm adding about 6 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. So this is what I'm adding right now. I'm mixing it again very nicely. You can see it looks lovely already. Now you need to add a little bit of water to it. Maybe half a bowl of water. That's what I'm adding. And mix everything very nicely. Now it's time for the garam masala, the roughly grinded garam masala to go in. Okay. Now you need to cover it with the lid and let it cook for almost 5 to 6 minutes, and then you need to check. Okay, so the masala has been cooking for some time, almost like 6 to 7 minutes. So let us check, and I can see that yes, this is the right time to add the prawns to it, and that's the final step. So yes, you can see that it's the right time to add the prawns. Let's add the prawns. Okay, so we are adding the prawns to it. Give it a nice mix. Oh, and one more thing I forgot to tell you guys. You need to add half teaspoon of vinegar if you have that available, and half teaspoon of soya sauce, dark soya sauce. So that will enhance the flavor. If you don't have, that's fine, but if you have that in your house, then do add it. And this is the time to add some more water to it. So let's add a little bit of water. So prawns are a very, very soft kind of a fish, so it doesn't require too much of cooking, and if you overcook it, it becomes very chewy and rubbery, and that doesn't really taste very nice. So you need to make sure that the consistency of the prawns that you're cooking and the softness, the tenderness is absolutely there. So that's very, very important. Okay, now I have added some more water and all the slit chilies, and I'll cook it on low flame for about 3 to 4 minutes, and we'll cover it with a lid. Alright guys, so it has been cooking for some time as I informed, and now it's time for us to reveal the prawn kalia. It was resting for almost 10 minutes and now I will open it. Wow, do you see that guys? It looks so yummy already. Take a close look guys. Wow, it looks really, really yummy. So guys, I know it's a difficult time for all of us right now, but if you have the ingredients at home, do try making this and leave me a comment below. And if you have liked the recipe, then please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon next to it so that you get notified as soon as I upload a video. Not only that, do give me a thumbs up as well and share it with your friends and family, because this is how we can spread positivity, love and care towards mankind.